Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a groundbreaking method that's redefining how we study the link between our environments and health. Infinite Hierarchical Contrastive Clustering, or IHCC. This AI-powered approach isn't just about sorting photos. It's about uncovering hidden patterns in the spaces we live, work, and play in. Let's break it down. So here's the big question. How do our daily environments shape our health? Think about your home, your office, or that park you walk in. Studies show these spaces influence everything from stress level to smoking habits. But how do we systematically analyze this? That's where Envirotyping comes in, a field using computer vision to study real-world environments through images. The challenge: these images are messy. Think of thousands of unstructured photos from wearable devices or ecological momentary assessments, EMAs. Traditional methods force researchers to guess how many categories, or clusters, exist, like deciding upfront whether to sort photos into home, work, or outdoor spaces. But what if the number of natural clusters is actually infinite? That's where IHCC steps in. Let's unpack IHCC. It starts with a concept called a stick-breaking prior, which models how clusters form in data. Imagine a stick you're going to break into pieces. The first break gives you a chunk, the next splits the remainder, and so on. This process lets the model dynamically decide how many clusters to create. No need to guess up front. By adjusting a parameter called alpha, researchers control the granularity. A smaller alpha creates fewer, broader clusters, while a larger alpha splits data into finer, more specific groups. But here's the real innovation. IHCC builds a hierarchy of clusters. Think of it like organizing photos first by room, kitchen, living room, then by objects within those rooms, a coffee table, a couch. This layered structure lets researchers spot nuanced patterns, like how a cluttered home environment might correlate with stress, or how green spaces boost mood. How does the model learn this hierarchy? It uses contrastive learning, a technique where the AI is trained to recognize similarities and differences in images. Picture this: the algorithm learns that two photos of the same coffee table, from different angles or lighting, should be grouped together, while a couch photo is separated. This is achieved through data augmentation, subtle changes like cropping or adjusting brightness to mimic real-world variability. The model focuses on the essence of an environment, not just surface details. But there's a twist. The researchers added a participant-specific prediction head, PSH, which ensures images from the same person form tight subclusters. Why does this matter? Let's say two people take photos of a park. Without PSH, the AI might conflate a leisurely walk with a stressful meeting. The PSH acts like a filter, distinguishing between individual experiences. This personalization makes the analysis more accurate and actionable. Let's talk results. The team tested IHCC on two datasets. The first had 484 images from their own study, labeled with environment types like kitchen or bedroom. The second was a massive dataset of 8,000+ photos from smokers, linked to health metrics like stress and cravings. When they used a stick-breaking prior with alpha equals 1.5, the model identified 20 clusters that matched human labels with high accuracy. For example, working areas from different participants were grouped together, while unique spaces like porches formed their own clusters. Even more impressively, the model linked environmental factors to health outcomes, like higher smoking cravings in bathrooms or lower stress in green spaces. The flexibility of IHCC is a game changer. By tweaking alpha, researchers can balance between fine-grained and broad clusters, adapting to datasets where the number of natural groups is unknown. This isn't just academic, it's a step toward personalized health interventions. Imagine an app that analyzes your surroundings and suggests stress-reducing activities, or urban planners using these insights to design healthier communities. So what's the takeaway? IHCC isn't just about organizing photos, it's about decoding the invisible forces shaping our behaviors. Whether it's understanding how your workspace affects stress or how neighborhood parks influence mental health, this method opens new doors for digital envirotyping. Next time you take a photo, think, could AI help us see patterns in your world that you've never noticed? The future of health research is here, and it's smarter, more personal, and infinitely more connected. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.